Hey everybody, it's Eric Holmgren, your ambassador at large for the Placentia Chamber of Commerce, and today I am with Noah Gwartney of All Cities Cleaning. How are you doing today, Noah?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Good. Did I get all of that correct?
Yes, yeah.
All right, good. Noah, tell me a little bit about yourself. Is this your first business?
No, this is my second business or second cleaning business. So I've been doing cleaning for over 20 years.
Okay.
So mostly in commercial.
All right.
But I do commercial and residential now.
Okay, excellent.
Mostly doing the specialty cleaning.
Okay.
Window washing, pressure washing, solar panel cleaning.
Okay.
Tile and grout. Things basically the maid doesn't do.
All right.
Or that requires equipment and expertise.
Okay. So with your cleaning service, is it mostly you going out to do it, or do you have a crew of people?
It's 100% me.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
With COVID right now, it's a little difficult to have staff.
Right.
Staffing is the main hard issue right now. So just solo and doing what I can on my own.
Okay. Well, that sounds good.
Yeah.
And the cities, when you say all cities, is that do you have a geographical
when I
area?
say all cities, I mean all Southern California.
Okay.
Or I do Los Angeles, Orange, and Riverside County.
Okay.
But I will travel other places. I like to travel, so all cities is all cities.
Okay.
We go anywhere.
Okay. Well, that's good to know. So beyond the reach of just merely Placentia.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. And now, normally with your commercial cleaning, is that something that you're doing on a regular basis where you have clients and you come out once a week and you do some sort of cleaning? Or is that only also specialty stuff with the commercial
I
cleaning?
do more of the monthly cleaning for
Okay.
specialty. Like when people have like commercial places, they get their windows washed monthly.
Okay.
Or have their bathrooms deep cleaned monthly. Things like that. I'm more one time, but I am looking for ongoing.
Okay.
But I don't do the janitorial, taking out the trash type of stuff. I'm more of the specialty cleaning, one time or ongoing, but mostly one time.
Okay. So that I understand, if you're a business that has a janitor or your house that has a maid, they're doing sort of cursory normal types
They're
of
doing
cleaning.
the maintenance cleaning,
Right.
the trash, the
Right.
mopping.
And then you're going to come in and you would then do something that's specific, washing the baseboards, cleaning the grout.
High dusting.
Okay.
Things that the maid or the janitorial service can't do.
Okay. Well, that's good to know. Yeah, because I know a lot of people, I myself including, my janitor, it's times that they're not getting everything, or just because it doesn't fit in the scope of what they do. So it sounds like you're the person then that comes in and takes care of those other elements.
Yes, and even if like a restaurant or a facility has their own staff that's mopping the floor on a regular basis, I go in there every 3 months and make the floor look good again.
Okay.
Or whatever, the kitchen or the floor or dusting, anything that's specialty.
Okay. That's
I even
great.
do the electrostatic disinfecting. Is another one.
Very nice.
That's popular nowadays.
Okay, good. So I think I've got a pretty good sense then of that you're doing. Now, with our chamber chats, we're usually talking with business owners and kind of tapping into the collective wisdom of members of the chamber. So what is a common problem or a business problem that you have?
I'm having problems with people saying that they're going to be there and they're not, or the integrity of someone saying, yes, I'll be there, but not.
Okay.
So that's kind of my struggle right now is people saying that they're going to do something or be there and they're not.
Okay.
And wasting my time or wasting time that's wasting time.
Right. So this is a case where they've made an appointment for you to come down to either do a service or provide a quote or something like that, and then they flake out.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So what are some of the things then that you're doing to try to
So number one
this?
I'm doing now is trying to do it more electronically, or hey, can you send me some pictures? Can you send me information about your project? The more information I get, the better quote you can get.
Okay.
So me, by looking around, well, well, with the information, I can usually give you a quote right up from electronic information.
Okay. Well, that sounds like, and with COVID and everything else, that's also probably a good way of getting
Yes,
it.
and it's kind of a new thing with COVID. You know, people don't want to be in front of people much, and they're kind of used to that. So doing it electronically works.
Okay. Well, that sounds like a good way that you found to solve that particular problem until, I don't know, maybe the world has less flaky people.
Yeah.
We'll see what we do. Is there anything else you'd like to share with the Placentia Chamber here before we wrap it up, Noah?
No, just think of me with your cleaning needs, and I'll leave it at that.
Okay. Well, terrific. If you are looking for any specialty cleaning needs, you want to get in touch with All Cities Cleaning, and he really does mean all cities. And until our next episode, be well.